Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy from scratch. First, melt 2 tablespoons of pan drippings or butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for 2 to 3 minutes until it forms a light golden brown paste. This simple mixture, called a roux, is crucial for thickening your gravy and building a rich flavor profile. Keep stirring to prevent burning. Now, let's add the liquid. Slowly pour in 2 cups of hot broth or stock, whisking continuously to ensure a smooth consistency. This gradual addition prevents lumps and helps the roux dissolve evenly. Keep whisking as the gravy comes to a gentle simmer. You'll notice it starting to thicken beautifully, creating that perfect texture we all love. Patience is key here for a lump-free result. It's time to season your masterpiece. Add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other herbs you enjoy, like a pinch of dried thyme or sage. Taste the gravy and adjust the seasonings as needed to suit your preference. Remember, a little at a time is best. Once it reaches your desired consistency and flavor, your homemade gravy is ready to be served hot over mashed potatoes, turkey, or anything else. Here are a few final tips for perfect gravy every time. For the richest flavor, always use pan drippings from your roasted meats. If you prefer a vegetarian option, butter works wonderfully. If your gravy is too thin, simply simmer it a bit longer to reduce. If it's too thick, whisk in a little more hot broth until it reaches your desired consistency. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade gravy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.